So far you have seen where we should use the article, you have seen. Now come to the don'ts. Where we should not use the article. ఎక్కడ the article ఉపయోగించకూడదు. See, first condition. Before regular nouns. Before the regular nouns, we should not use the article. Before the regular nouns means school, college, temple, hospital, church, mosque, bed, lunch, breakfast, etc. Before the regular noun we should not use the article. ఇవన్నీ కూడా రెగ్యులర్ నౌన్గా ఉపయోగిస్తాం, వీటికి ముందు ది ఆర్టికల్ ఉపయోగించకూడదు అంటున్నాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, say, I go to the college regularly. She takes the lunch at 1 p.m. See, here college is a regular noun, here lunch is a regular noun. That's why we should not use the article. If we take another example, say, my father went to the college to pay fee. They invited me to the lunch. Here it is correct. Here it is correct. Why? Because here in these two statements, college, lunch is a regular noun. Here it is not a regular noun. ఇక్కడ ఇది రెగ్యులర్గా జరిగేటివి కాబట్టి అక్కడ రెగ్యులర్ నౌన్స్ అన్నాం, వాటికి ముందు ది ఆర్టికల్ ఉపయోగించకూడదు. Here in these two statements, the college and lunch is not regular noun. Specific purpose. You may have a doubt, sir, అది రెగ్యులర్ నౌనా కాదా నాకు ఎట్లా తెలవాలి? Simple logic. In a sentence, whenever you come across the present simple tense, that is the regular noun. Other than the present simple tense, if it is in past tense, that is not a regular noun. I go to college regularly. Here go is a present simple. She takes lunch at 1 p.m. Takes present simple. And my father went to college. Went past simple. Invited past simple. Say, they are in the past simple, so they are not regular noun. Here it is in present simple. That's why they are regular noun. In that way you can identify what is the regular noun. Before the regular nouns, we should not use the article. Second rule. Before the proper nouns, material nouns, abstract nouns, you should not use the article. Before the proper nouns, material nouns, abstract nouns, you should not use the article. The M.K. Gandhi is the father of the nation. The M.K. Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, is the father of the nation. The M.K. Gandhi is wrong. the gold and the silver are precious metals. The gold, wrong. The silver, wrong. Gold and silver are precious metals. Because before the material noun, we should not use the article. Before the proper noun, you should not use the article. But if the proper noun is used as a common noun, before such a proper noun, you can use the article. We have seen. The wisdom is the gift of the God. The wisdom is the gift of the God. Wisdom is the gift of the God. The knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. Knowledge, wisdom, they are abstract noun. Before the abstract noun, before the material noun, before the proper noun, you should not use the article. Third rule. Before the peaks, you should not use the article. Before the mountains, you can use the article. The Aravali, the Himalayas, you can use. But Everest, Kanchanaganga, the Everest, the Kanchanaganga, see, these are the peaks, they are the not mountains. Before the peaks, we should not use the article. Before the mountains, you can use the article. These are the rules for the don'ts, where we should not use the article. Omission of the article. See, if you like this concept, and subscribe my channel, YouTube channel, Rajashekhar Adepu. You subscribe my channel and share it. And for more concepts, you can go through my YouTube channel. Now we shall see these exercises related to the articles. Exercise related to articles. Dash, say, dash ant is dash industrious creature. An ant is an industrious creature. We can't live without dash fan nowadays. There vowel sounds, that's why we use an article. Here it is a consonant sound, a fan nowadays. Abdul Kalam is a dash extraordinary man, a, so an extraordinary man, in order to give the meaning of only one. Dash apple dash day keeps dash doctor away. An apple a day, in the sessions of the day, the article, before the day, a, keeps the doctor away. Here you could find a and the articles. Dash ATM is a dash useful mission. An ATM, MLA, an MLA. So an ATM is a useful mission. Even though starts with the vowel, but it has got the consonant sound. Dash honest man, an honest man, honest, no, honest man is always respected. Ramayana is epic. The Ramayana, before the scriptures, is an epic. And are you dash vegetarian? Are you a vegetarian? He is dash MLA, dash man of principles. MLA, it starts with consonant but sound is a. So an MLA and Myanmar, so a man of principles. I have studied in a dash government school, in a government school. Madhu is dash cleverest boy in dash class. Cleverest, superlative adjective. Before the superlative adjective we use the article. So Madhu is the cleverest boy in the class. People go for dash walk in dash morning. Go for a walk in the morning. Just I told you, before the sessions of the day, the article. Mary is dash Australian, but her husband is dash European. Australian, so an Australian, but her husband is a European. European, even though starts with a vowel, but it has got the consonant sound. So a European. Mukesh Ambani is the dash Bill Gates of India. Bill Gates is a proper noun. Mukesh Ambani is also proper noun. But here Mukesh Ambani, it is a proper noun, is used as a proper noun only. But here Bill Gates is used as a common noun, because of plus another noun is there. So this proper noun is used as a common noun. Before such a proper noun we use the article. Mukesh Ambani is the Bill Gates of India. This is dash place where the accident happened. This is the place. We are giving importance to the place. And the Godavari flows through here. Before the river Godavari we use the article. The Godavari flows through Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Here Telangana is the proper noun. Before the proper noun we are not using the article. My grandfather reads dash Gita daily. Gita means holy book. See the Gita. Dash Birlas established Kesharam cement factory. Here Birlas, see, when individual identity you can use, we should not use any article, but Birlas, Tatas, that is the group, so you have to use the Birlas, the Tatas in that way. Dash English ruled India for more than 2 centuries. English means English people. So English people, in order to give the meaning of people, you should use the article. The English ruled India for more than 2 centuries. Means English people ruled. Kumar is dash Sachin of their team. Here Sachin is used as a common noun, the Sachin of their team. Abdul Kalam is dash only president who was also a scientist. Here one thing, when only used as an adjective, when only used as an adjective, that only takes the article. Here Abdul Kalam is only president. See, president is a noun, only is used as an adjective here. Abdul Kalam is only president. Here who was also a scientist, that is another sentence. Up to here it is a complex sentence. Here up to here Abdul Kalam is only president. Means here only is used as an adjective. When specific rule, I have forgotten to tell you that rule. Whenever you come across the word only, not an adverb, as an adjective, when it is used, it takes the article. So Abdul Kalam is the only president who was also a scientist. A scientist. See here, before the profession we use the article. Before the profession we use a comma an article. Before the professions. He is a doctor, a doctor. I am a teacher, a teacher. Abdul Kalam is a scientist. A scientist. So, before the profession, we should use a comma an article. Before the designations, we use the article. When only used as an adjective, that it takes the article. Rakesh Sharma was dash first Indian to go into the space. First ordinal number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a cardinal number. First, second, third, fourth is called ordinal number. Before the ordinal number, we use the article. Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian to go into the space. Dash novel I bought yesterday was interesting. The novel, you are putting emphasis on the novel. Lord Krishna played dash flute. Before the musical instruments, names of musical instruments, we use the article. Before the word music, before the word water, we should not use the article. But before the names of musical instrument, you can use the article, the flute. Dash more you learn, dash more you benefit. More you learn, more you benefit. Here you could find the two comparative adjectives. In a one sentence, one superlative adjectives take the article. In a sentence, when you take two comparative adjectives, both the comparative adjectives will take the article. The more you learn, the more you benefit. See, now this is the concept of articles and along with exercises in IPE, in intermediate exams, it takes 4 marks regarding the articles. In every competitive exam, you are going to get 1 or 2 marks related to the articles. In the competitive exam, a comma an article takes 1 mark, the article takes 1 mark. Definitely 2 marks will be given the weightage for the articles. In every competitive exam, it may be EdSet, it may be any set, any competitive exam, this article topic is at most important. Generally, students think that articles we know very well, we can manage with articles. Don't think like that. Articles are at most important, and moreover, articles functioned as an adjective. For example, what is the part of speech of the word a and the? If it is asked, that is not an article, that is an adjective, because adjective is a part of parts of speech, not article. See, this is the concept. The accountant and the manager have absconded with 50 lakhs. The accountant and manager has absconded with 50 lakhs. What is the difference between these two statements? What sort of the difference you are going to find in these two statements? ఇక్కడ రెండు వాక్యాలు చూడండి. రెండు వాక్యాల్లో మనకి ఏం డిఫరెన్స్ కనబడుతుంది? The accountant and the manager have absconded with 50 lakhs. Absconded అంటే పారిపోవడం. The accountant and manager has absconded with 50 lakhs. See, what is the difference? Here, before the accountant designation, we use the article. Before the manager, we use the article. Here, before the accountant, we use the article. Here, before the manager, you did not use the article. ఇక్కడ రెండు డిజిగ్నేషన్స్ ముందట ది ఆర్టికల్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ ఒకే డిజిగ్నేషన్ ముందు ది ఆర్టికల్ ఉంది. దట్ ఈస్ ద వన్ డిఫరెన్స్. సెకండ్ డిఫరెన్స్, హ్యావ్ అబ్స్కౌండెడ్, హ్యాజ్ అబ్స్కౌండెడ్. ఇక్కడ హ్యావ్ అబ్స్కౌండెడ్ అన్నాం, ఇక్కడ హ్యాజ్ అబ్స్కౌండెడ్ అన్నాం. అక్కడ హ్యావ్ ఈజ్ ద ప్లూరల్, హ్యాజ్ ఇస్ ద సింగులర్. దీస్ టూ మేజర్ చేంజెస్ యూ కమ్ అక్రాస్. దానిలో ఈ రెండు మేజర్ చేంజెస్ మనకు కనబడుతున్నాయి. సో విచ్ వన్ ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్, విచ్ వన్ ఈజ్ రాంగ్, ఆర్ బోత్ ఆర్ కరెక్ట్, ఆర్ బోత్ ఆర్ ఇన్ కరెక్ట్? రెండు తప్పులేనా, ఏది కరెక్ట్ ఏది ఒప్పు, లేదా రెండు తప్పులేనా రెండు ఒప్పులేనా? సి, బోత్ ఆర్ కరెక్ట్. Both are correct statements, because First one. When the article placed before the two designations means there might be two members, isn't it? The accountant, the manager, అంటే ఇక్కడ మేనేజర్ ఒకడు అకౌంటెంట్ ఒకడు అని అర్థం. Here this dignitary is one person, this dignitary is another person. Two members are there. Here accountant and manager. Here only two designations are there, only one article. Means these two functions are done by only individual one person. It is understood there. ఎప్పుడైతే రెండు డిజిగ్నేషన్స్ ఉండి అండ్ అనే కంజంక్షన్తో కలపబడి when two designations are connected with the help of and conjunction, and if they take only one definite article the, that indicates only singular identity. రెండు డిజిగ్నేషన్స్ అండ్తో కలపబడి ఒకే ఆర్టికల్ కనుక ఉన్నట్టయితే ది ఆర్టికల్ ఉంటే దట్ ఇండికేట్స్ ఓన్లీ వన్ ఇన్ నెంబర్. అకౌంటెంట్ ఒకడే, మేనేజర్ ఒకడే. హియర్ మేనేజర్ ఈజ్ డూయింగ్ ద వర్క్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్స్. అకౌంటెంట్ అండ్ మేనేజర్ both are only one. He is only one person is performing the duties of accountant and manager. It is understood there. అంటే ఎప్పుడైతే if you use the article with both the designations, that implies that the different personalities. If the both the designations are combined with only one article, that represent only one individual personality. Both the functions are done by only one single person. It is clear. రెండు డిజిగ్నేషన్లకు ముందు ఒకే ఆర్టికల్ కనుక ఉన్నట్టయితే ఆ రెండు డిజిగ్నేషన్స్ కూడా ఒకరే చేస్తున్నారు అని అర్థం. హియర్ ఇక్కడ అకౌంటెంట్ వేరు, మేనేజర్ వేరు అని చెప్తున్నాం. ఇక్కడ డిఫరెంట్ ది ఆర్టికల్ ఉపయోగిస్తున్నాం. So, according to the what is the fundamental notion of a sentence? If the subject is singular, verb should be singular. If the subject is singular, verb should be singular. According to the agreement of the verb with the subject. According to the agreement of with the subject, if the subject is singular, verb should be singular. If the subject is plural, verb should be plural. Subject singularలో ఉంటే వర్బ్ సింగులర్లో ఉండాలి. సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లూరల్లో ఉంటే వర్బ్ ప్లూరల్లో ఉండాలి. ఇక్కడ ది అకౌంటెంట్ అండ్ ద మేనేజర్ మీన్స్ డిఫరెంట్ పర్సన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. అకౌంటెంట్ ఈజ్ వన్, మేనేజర్ ఈజ్ వన్. టూ పర్సన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. whenever you come across two persons, different persons might be. So how can you say they are the different persons? Here before this designation you come across the article, and this designation you come across the article. Both persons are different. It is understood. When the subject is plural, another rule, when two subjects are connected with the help of and, the total subject should be treated as a plural subject. When two subjects are connected with the help of and preposition, that should be taken as a ప్లూరల్ సబ్జెక్ట్. ఇక్కడ ఆ రెండు సబ్జెక్టులు అండ్తో కలపబడుతున్నాయి కాబట్టి దీన్ని ప్లూరల్ సబ్జెక్ట్ అంటున్నాం. ఇక్కడ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఈజ్ ప్లూరల్, వర్బ్ షుడ్ బి ప్లూరల్. దట్స్ వై హ్యావ్ అబ్స్కౌండెడ్, అక్కడ హ్యావ్ అబ్స్కౌండెడ్ అన్నాం. బట్ హియర్ బోత్ డిజిగ్నేటరీస్ ఆర్ ఐడెంటిఫైడ్, రిప్రజెంటెడ్ విత్ ఓన్లీ వన్ ఆర్టికల్ ది. సో బోత్ డిజిగ్నేటరీస్ ఆర్ ఓన్లీ వన్. సో the accountant and the manager, singular person only. If the subject is singular, verb should be singular. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ has అనేది రావడం, has is used. In the correction of sentences they will give in place of has, have they will give. In place of have they will give has. Have is wrong, has is wrong, have is correct, has is correct here. When two subjects are connected with the help of and if the two designations take the article, that should be treated as a plural subject. If the subject is plural, verb should be plural. When two designations are connected with the help of and if it takes only the article, only one the article, the total subject should be treated as the singular. If the subject is singular, verb should be singular. So the accountant and manager has absconded with the 50 lakhs, and the accountant and the manager have absconded with 50 lakhs. This is the miscellaneous correction in the articles.